All right, when it comes to smart home devices, y'all know this one is my favorite one. Well, Google Home Assistant is my favorite one. I love the Google Home. Now, I do own a Google Home Mini. Not a big fan of the sound of this thing based off of what they cost, but I do love the size and functionality of it. And I prefer this over the Echo Dot simply because it has Google Home Assistant, and it's actually better in my opinion. But there's one design flaw. You know what? It's marketing genius on Google's part, but I call it a design flaw as a consumer. What they don't have is a 3.5mm output, so you can actually do other things with it. If you look over the internet, there's all kinds of devices that you can just pop your Echo Dot into, and it turns into a bigger speaker so it sounds better, makes it portable, all kinds of stuff. Not much out there for the Google Home until about right now. We have the HomeHod. So basically this thing, if you have your, let me see, you got your plug here, right? So you got this plug, and you know what? There's nothing wrong with the plug. And you plug it into the wall, let's say it's down here, and then you got this cord coming out of here, and you got to set it somewhere, like on the table. This one actually goes on my refrigerator, just so we can have something in the kitchen. But sometimes you just want to mount that bad boy to a wall. Like, let's say in your bathroom, right? Let's say you want Google Assistant in your bathroom, which is probably where this is going. And then I'm gonna have to get another one from my kitchen for on top of my refrigerator. But what we're gonna do here is open up this box as soon as it stops trolling me. Disrespect. Okay, now, there's not much in here. Let's just kick that to the side. We might need the instructions because I don't know how to operate this thing. It's a very simple device. Let's kick that over there like that. And basically what this is gonna allow you to do is take your Google Home Mini, plop it in there like that, and then plug it into a wall, almost like a plug-in air freshener or something. It's still a rather large device, and it's probably gonna cover up the whole outlet as far as I can tell. But now it's wall mounted instead of having to have it on a countertop or something like that. Because in my bathroom, there's just not space for it. So let's see how this thing actually operates. So you go ahead and it looks like you pop out this centerpiece right here. Just like that. And then you put in the plug. Hold on, let me hold this the right way like they have it. Okay, so it's this way. You put the plug in. Let's just take this cable all the way through. Then once it's in there safe and sound, you go ahead and plop this on. You go ahead and line up the bottom so the cable actually goes through that little hole right there. Then you screw it on. Okay, then you actually coil the cable around just like such, around and around and around. Make sure you stack your cable right. Don't just be winding it up like a savage. Just stack it. And then you have this almost pigtail of a wire sticking out right there. Then you plop that inside, and then you can actually plug in your Google Home Mini like such. You just plug this bad boy right into the wall and you are all set to go. And you can have it sticking down just like that so nobody sees that part. And you have access to your mute button just in case you need to mute it physically. And then of course you have your touch panel right here that you can use. I love the fact that you can put your Google Home Mini pretty much anywhere instead of just solely having to lay it on a table or something like that, or on a bookshelf. Now you can literally wall mount it, or just have it, you know, down low where the plug is in the first place. Ours is actually going to be mounted up on the bathroom, but we'll see how that works out. But I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. But before I get out of here, y'all go ahead and make sure you tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Hey Google, play something I can brush my teeth to.